Hello there. Here's a short demo on how to introduce spelling to your child. If your child knows his or her phonics sounds and can read simple sentences, the next logical step is to learn to spell. Phonics makes spelling fun and easy. Your child should know how to write the smaller case alphabets on a notebook. To begin with, we introduce the 5 vowels. Your child must know these vowels and the sounds they make. To practice spelling, we begin with simple 3-letter words of a vowel. Here I have words of vowel A. The parent can dictate cat. The child will use the phonics sounds to spell the word k, a, t, cat. The child can practice the spelling of the words of the same vowel for a few days before you can try words of other vowels. We then make it a bit more challenging, where we continue to practice 3-letter words but with mixed vowels to introduce how real sentences are written with mixed vowels. We then move on to practice the spelling of bigger 4-letter words which can be spelled using phonics sounds such as lamp, bend, and so on. We also have to learn the spellings of sight words. For sight words, we just have to by heart the spelling, such as and, A-N-D, the, T-H-E. After this level, your child is ready to write a simple sentence. The parent can dictate, Tom is a cat. The child can use the phonics sound and what he has practiced so far to write this simple sentence. This is the first stage of spelling, and after this, it gets much easier. The English reading kit has got all the available list of words that you can use for practicing, such as 4-letter words and 3-letter words, words of other phonics sounds, also words using all kinds of blends, and words from word families. By this stage, your child is ready to pen down his thoughts. So give him a simple picture and allow him to write his own words and sentences to help him to get more confident with his writing.